The U.S. Federal Reserve released the minutes from their most recent policy meeting, which show that policymakers remain serious about cooling inflation in the country. The approval of a 25 basis point increase is evidence of caution amid signs of improvement in the economy. Our Lee Soo-jin has the details.
The U.S. Fed remains determined to bring inflation back to its target level and cool the economy. According to the minutes from their most recent meeting released Wednesday local time, most Fed officials agreed that a 0.25 percentage points rate increase was appropriate. The Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, approved the 25 basis points increase during its January 31st to February 1st meeting, raising the target range to 4.5 to 4.75%. The central bank has raised its benchmark rate over the course of 8 meetings after starting off from a near-zero policy rate last March. The minutes, however, showed that there was a small number of participants that still favored a 50 basis point increase. All of the policymakers agreed that ongoing increases would be necessary to cool inflation. The officials remain steadfast in their opinion on maintaining a restrictive policy stance until economic data shows that inflation is on a downward trend to the 2% target. That's expected to take some time, according to the minutes. More recent economic data suggests that the economy is continuing to grow. More than 500,000 jobs were added in the U.S. in January, nearly triple what economists had forecast. The unemployment rate is currently at 3.4%, the lowest level in over 50 years. Historically, in a tight labor market, employers are forced to raise wages, which pushes inflation upwards. This suggests that the Fed will keep up rate increases, but as many global central banks have raised interest rates, there are also reasons to believe that inflation might soon be under control. Meanwhile, after the meeting minutes were published, stocks slipped slightly. The S&P 500 fell 0.4%, while the Dow Jones lost 0.5%. Lee Soo-jin, Arirang News.